Hey guys, gsemanisin here at Dave Sinclair Buick-GMC here in St. Louis, Missouri. Today I'm going to be talking about the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 and the AT4 trim. And this vehicle has been customized by Dave Sinclair Customs, our vehicle customization service. And today I'll touch on what items we have customized on this vehicle. So a few things that make the AT4 trim level special. Starting up front here, you have the monochromatic grille along with the black chrome in the grille and around the fog lights right here. You also have the red vertical tow hooks right down here in the front. And you will also have the 2-inch factory lift that comes on it as well. A few other things that make it special, the interior is specific to the AT4 trim. It's black with the Kalahari inserts, and we'll show you that here in a second. A couple things that we have up front here, you have the LED headlights along with the LED fog lamps right down here. Another thing that you get with the AT4 package, along with that 2-inch lift, it has Rancho shocks and skid plates underneath as well. One thing that our custom shop, Dave Sinclair Customs, added was the illuminated emblem up front. So it's backlit, so when your lights come on, it lights up the outline of the GMC. All right, so moving to the side here, the AT4 trim level comes standard with an 18-inch wheel. On this one specifically, it does have the 20-inch wheel that we ordered with it. And you can see that the black chrome extends to the side here, highlighting that this one in particular has a 5.3 liter V8. You can also get it with the 6.2 liter V8 and 3.0 diesel as well. On the side here, you also have the AT4 badging side here with the red 4, which helps accent the red tow hooks and other red accents around the vehicle. On this one, we put the off-road assist steps on it. These are from GM, has the Sierra script right down here as well. And our Dave Sinclair Custom shop also tinted the windows to match the back as well. All right, so coming around to the back, you can see you got the AT4 emblems back here as well. And one thing that our Sinclair Custom shop did to wrap up the custom look of the vehicle, we did the black GMC logos on the back here. They're normally red, but just gives it a more aggressive look. One other thing that we did here, we added the roll top tonneau cover. So this one's by Rev, it's a hard rolling cover. So if you reach right under here, you pull this, and you can see it's metal. It just rolls right up all the way up to the front of the truck. Then you can clip it down so it doesn't move when you're driving. Also, with this truck, you'll have the standard multi-pro tailgate right here. So you drop that down if you need to reach a little further in the back of the truck. Drop this down. You have your step, which with that step, you'll also have a handle right here too. Makes it a little easier to climb up in the truck. Whenever you flip this thing up here, you got an extra stopper in here if you've got something extra long. Flip this down, kind of have a little workstation. So if you got to do some paperwork on a job site or something like that, and close it up. And this thing locks like that, and all your stuff's secure. Also in the bed, you've got 2 bed lights along with a cab light that'll shine down into the bed, all LED. You have 12 tow hooks on the inside. So if you're hauling something, you need to strap it down. And on this one as well, you'll have a 12-volt outlet in the back on the right side of the bed. All right, so coming into the truck here, you can notice that you have the AT4 specific interior. So it's the black leather with the Kalahari inserts, and it also has the Kalahari stitching on the seats as well. So nice thing about this truck, you have a ton of storage options. So right in the backs of these seats, you pull this tab right here, and there's storage on both sides, this side and over there. Then if you need to store something underneath, you just pull it straight up, and you have this whole storage area right here. On the AT4 as well, you have the AT4 specific floor liners, which is a rubber liner with a cloth insert. And then if you're out, shoes are muddy, you just unsnap this, pull the carpet out, and Just got an all rubber floor liner. So I'm a pretty big guy, about 6'2", 290 pounds. Tons of room in this truck. So even with this seat pretty far back, I was just driving this, so with a guy my size up front, I still have a ton of leg room. Legs open, lean back a little bit. But one nice thing in these trucks as well, in wintertime, I got heated seats back here as well. Then if my phone's dying or you got a tablet, you got outlet or hookups back here to plug your phone in, USB or a 12-volt plug-in right there. So starting down at the bottom here, it is wired for trailer brakes. So you have your trailer brake controller that's built in to the dash right here. Right over here, if you need to charge your phone, you have the USB-C and USB hookups right here, along with this plug-in as well. You also have a regular outlet right here. So moving up, you got your hill descent control right here. This is for your tailgate, if you need to drop your tailgate in the back. Get your hazards, traction control, so if you do what this thing's made for, go out in the mud, you can turn that traction control off. This is to turn on your inverter in the back of the truck in the bed. One of my favorite features, heated and cooled seats. So turn those on right there, and your heated are right on the side of that. So then coming up, you've got your dual climate zone control. So each side can control their own. So you got 70, 60. If the driver wants to control all of it, hit that sync button right there. And you control the fan with this knob right there. Then coming up, so you do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you just click that there and connect it just like you would connect your phone through Bluetooth on that and Android Auto. So swiping left here, you can also control your climate zone control right up top here. Just control it just like that. Sync, all your selections can be right up there on the screen. You can also view your camera views from right up top here. So your backup camera with the grid for backing in, hook up the trailer right there, and that'll turn with the wheel. Then you have your hitch view. So your hitch will be right there whenever you have one in. Just makes it a little easier to hook up a trailer. Then going over to the steering wheel, you've got your arrows right here, so you can scroll through your dash to check on everything about your vehicle, fuel range, trip, oil, life, tire pressure, everything like that. You also have your heated steering wheel right here as well. And this is all your cruise control buttons on this side. So then on the side of the dash over here, a bunch of different modes. You turn this to the side. You got sport mode, off-road mode, and just a normal mode. You turn it to the left, you've got tow haul mode as well. Then right below that, you got your 4 high, 4-wheel drive, 4 low, 2 high, which is the normal driving, and then auto, which in rain or snow, if you have auto in and your back wheels start to slip, front wheels will automatically kick in. Really nice feature. Then you have all your lighting right below that. So you've got your bed lighting, fog light, the bed light on top of the cab, and these will dim your lights right here, your dash lights. All right, well that concludes our video for today. You can contact me at 314-842-4200 or my email, gsemanisin@davesinclairauto.com. And if you're interested in customizing with us, I can help you with that process as well. You can call me or email me for info on that.